Are you looking to slow life down and enjoy it? Then come with me for a quick walk around tour on Moonlight Lady. She's a beautiful 1977 CHB Trawler with a rebuilt Ford Lehman engine. She's got dual cabins, fore and aft, and she's got a nice salon which is open and airy. So come with me. She's very well appointed, has classic wood trims. If you're coming from a sailboat, you'll enjoy trawler speed, and if you just want to enjoy life, Moonlight Lady's the vessel with you. So come with me as we do this full walkthrough tour here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off port bow on this CHB Trawler. We see she's got a lot of nice features. Varnish is in pretty good condition. She's a classic single engine Lehman trawler that has the engine's been rebuilt. Gel coat's in good condition. Varnish has some wear spots on it, but for the most part she's in excellent condition. Circling around starboard, we see we've got a nice deep well right here, and then forward we've got our raised windlass and our decking right there. We've got a nice set of dock stairs with this, which are included. Let's go aboard. We've got a nice wide walk around. It's about 15 inches. We've got good height on the rails. Let's head aft. We've got our lower deck here, and this is our aft cabin. We do have an extended swim platform right down there, and I've got our boarding ladder pulled out. From here, let's go to the top deck. Here we are at the bridge deck, which we can see is nice, wide, and open. We've probably got a 10 by 10 open space here. Great place for deck chairs. Put a cocktail table here, do a little bit of socializing. We've got built-in bench seats right here at the nice double wide helm. Now there's storage up under here. And then here we have the upper station. We've got cowl storage right up under there. We've got a Raymarine C90 VHF radio, and of course a nice stereo. We have that Popeye style steering wheel right there. And then our gauges are all right here. They're glass covered, so they're still nice and clean and clear. This is going to give us a forward facing view right there. And then as we circle around, this gives us another view of this bridge deck right here. We do have a stainless steel arch to hold the radar and a nice bimini. Canvas is within the past 2 years. Here we are. We enter the main cabin through this sliding starboard door. One feature I want to point out is there's grab rails all around to keep us safe. Entering the salon, we see a lot of great features. One LLI is an open galley with view and visibility. This vessel will make a great weekender or a great liveaboard. As we circle around, we see we've got portside bench seating right there and a starboard L-shaped settee right here. The table lowers and this area becomes another sleeping area. Notice the rich parquet floor, and a very important feature right here is a hideaway bar. Here at the helm, we have our compass steering wheel. These are points on the compass. Our electrical panels right there below. Gauges. This is chain steering right here. Great view forward with that opening center window. From here, let's go into the forward cabin, which offers a degree of privacy with these sliding doors. This area actually closes off. Down a few steps and into the forward V berth. We've got a large hanging locker immediately on our right side right there. Nicely finished, nicely appointed. Drawer storage down below. We've got a filler cushion for in there, gives us more room to sleep. We've got headroom, probably 6 feet of headroom in here. Notice how nice and bright it is. Now there is some signs of water, old water intrusion there. It's nice and dry currently. We do have our own private head right here. It's a wet head. Nice teak decking there. Raw water flush head. And classic stainless steel fixtures right there. Access to the engine compartment is through these center hatches. Just lift. They are quite heavy, which attests to the quality and the weight of the boat, how solid she was built. As we enter the aft main cabin, which again closes off, we've got our privacy doors right there. Down a few steps, and immediately we have a very large hanging locker right here. Off to port, we have double bed right there. A little bit larger than a twin, not quite a double. We've got nice windows for air and visibility. Circling around, our wood steps right here. Some nice features, lots of storage. And off to starboard we have, it's at least the size of a double bed right there, probably over 7 feet. If you notice, there's lots of windows and light in this cabin for an open feeling. We also have another private head right here. We've got a new facility, new toilet right there. It's, again, a wet head. Moonlight Lady is neat, clean, odor-free, well-powered. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.